Today guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can download and install Netflix on your laptop or PC, and then you can download your TV series and films to enjoy maybe even whilst traveling. It's actually quite straightforward once you know how, so as I get into this, and if it does solve your problem, smash a like button, subscribe for more, and let's get into it. Okay guys, so here we are on the desktop computer, and the first thing we're going to do is we're actually going to head on down to the search bar down here, and we are going to search for the Microsoft Store. So I'm just going to type the word store in here. It's going to come up with Microsoft Store. This should be pre-installed on your Windows 11 machine or Windows 10. Pretty much on all Windows computers you should have this anyway, unless you've deliberately gone out of your way to uninstall it. So what you're going to do is click into there. It's going to load up your Microsoft Store. Okay, and it'll look something like this. Now you are going to need to be signed into a Microsoft account to be able to download applications. Okay, so you can see here that I'm already logged in. It's completely free to set up a Microsoft account if you don't already have one. So go ahead, sign yourself in or sign up to Microsoft and get yourself logged into this store. Once in here, the obvious thing to do is to search for what you're looking for. So in this particular case, we're going to be searching for Netflix. Okay, so we're going to type in Netflix. You can see that it comes up here as an application. We're going to click that. That's then going to load up Netflix just like this. Okay, we can then go ahead and click on the install button, and it's going to go ahead and download Netflix for your computer and then go ahead and install the application. Okay, so let's give it a moment. Okay, and once it is, of course, installed, you can go ahead and click on the open button, which is going to open the Netflix application directly into on your computer or laptop. Okay, here you can of course sign into your Netflix account, and that's it. You can now go ahead and basically watch your favorite TV shows, movies, and even download them to your device so that you can watch them offline. And guys, honestly, it's as easy as that to download and install Netflix on your laptop. Now, if you have found this useful, solves your problems, make sure to smash that like button for me, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you in the next one.